Hello family, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Angela and this channel is all about beauty, fashion, and life. Now, if you saw the thumbnail or you saw the title of this video, you know what we're about to talk about. You know, got a little purchase here, made me happy, made me very, very happy. Couldn't leave the store without it. So I'm gonna be talking about these Pharaoh sandals. Let my people go. That's what I thought about when I saw the title. Let my people go, Pharaoh, Moses.
Oh, jeez. I was thinking F-A-R-R-O-W.
No, F-A-R-O, but anyway.
Fair, that's P-H-A-R-O.
But sounds same. It sounds the same. Phonetics. Is it phonetics? Phonetics? Phonetics. Let me call Ronnie to speak. Let me call Ronnie to speak.
Not work for us.
Call my speech therapist friend and ask her. I think it's phonetics. I don't know now. Now I'm confused. Anyway. Pharaoh. These are Pharaoh sandals from Louis Vuitton. So I purchased these in Jeddah. I went to go see my sister friend Ronnie, and we went shopping, and I did a lot of shopping. But you all saw my Jimmy Choo shoes. I did get these shoes at the same time, but I did not show you all these shoes because it was still cold. So I thought I'd wait, and I'm going to show you these shoes today. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Let's get started. So I'm not gonna make this a long drawn out process. It drives me crazy when people do unboxings and they wanna unfold every layer of tissue paper. They have just a shoe, came in a box. I love these shoes. Each of the shoes comes in their own cute little dust bag. Ta-da! Here's the shoe. Oops, here are the shoes here. Aren't they just beautiful? They're made of calf leather. They have the Louis Vuitton embossing here in the front of the shoe. They have this gold tone circle here. All of the details here, the hardware are gold. Right here it has a Louis Vuitton logo inside the buckle. I love, love, love this white stitching around the toe or the heel of the shoe. This entire shoe it smells like if you ever been in a leather shop. I was in Italy a few years ago and went to a leather shop. It just smelled like leather. These shoes These shoes smell exactly like that leather shop I went in Italy. But these are pure calf leather. They did have these in a nude brown skin tone, but they didn't have them when I purchased mine. I went in the store and I put them on and I was immediately in love. I love everything about this shoe. This sole is a little flexible, but it's pure leather, you can tell. It was made in Italy.
That was my, sorry, honey.
Oh, production in trouble. Production in trouble.
It's not my fault.
Like church. Everyone turn off your phones. Everyone turn off your phones, please. I'm about to get started. Production.
Yes, ma'am.
That's on person here. Are we ready, production?
Yes, ma'am.
Ooh, your pay getting docked. But you can see the sole here has a Louis Vuitton emblem on the bottom of the shoe. These shoes are very, very true to five. These shoes are very, very true to size. I wear an 8.5 and they fit right on my foot. I would even say they probably run a little small. So if you're still wanting them, I would probably go up a size if you tend to run large in the shoe, but I'm a true 8.5 and they just fit my foot perfectly. I love everything about them. For me, a black shoe is a neutral shoe. I do prefer the gold hardware on everything that I have. I do have a few silver accessories. I have on silver earrings today, but the 99% of the time I'm wearing gold. So I thought this shoe would fit perfectly in my wardrobe, and I could see lots of ways that I could incorporate it into outfits that I wear, especially during the summer and spring and late summer, early fall. But I just fell in love with these shoes. So here they are, very, very well made. I just love everything about them. The quality is amazing. Now I'm gonna show you how I styled these shoes with some items that I pulled from my wardrobe. Now this is outfit number 1 and outfit of the day. And I just love this romper. Unfortunately, it's no longer available, but I did purchase it on sale at the end of the year. Yeah, don't forget those end of the year is in the end of the season sales. When we start over. And I just love it. This romper is from Rio. Wait a minute. Oh, I think some mint went up my nose. Okay. Ready? Ready? Let me start over. This is outfit number one. Outfit of the day. This romper is from Farm Rio. Unfortunately, it's no longer available, but I did purchase it at the end of the season sale last year, I think around August, and didn't wear it. I had in a video or two as my new in haul, but I love this romper. It's a heavy, heavy linen, and did I already say it's from Farm Rio? I don't know, but it's from Farm Rio. Now, if you want a beautiful dress, if you like a lot of color, but if you don't like color, a lot of color, Farm Rio is probably not the place for you. But if you want a beautiful dress, well made, exceptional quality, that's not gonna be something everybody else has on wherever you are, Farm Rio is your place. I think they have amazing maxi dresses. I recently ordered one that I saw on, what's her name? Tab. Y'all know Tab, the vegan Tab. She had a dress on when she was having her family together, when she was waiting to see if she won the award or not. And I instantly recognized the dress. I was like, that's Farm Rio, let me go buy it before they run out. So it's on the way. I'll show y'all that dress when it gets here. But anyway, I picked this romper as my first outfit because I wanted to pull the black out. There's pink and there's orange and yellow and black. So I thought these black sandals would look great with this outfit, and I was absolutely right. I paired it with my Louis Vuitton Pochette Batiste, and her name is Wakanda, because the shoes are Louis Vuitton as well, but I thought this was a great outfit, and I absolutely love it. I think it works really, really well together. So I'll turn around so you can see the romper. This is my microphone, don't pay that any attention. But this is how it looks. It's a beautiful outfit. I think this is my favorite. Love the colors and everything. Now this is outfit number two. I paired the shoes with these black shorts from Banana Republic. Again, I bought numerous pairs of shorts from Banana Republic on sale last year, and these were one of the pairs. I absolutely love them. I love the button detail here. I think it mixes well with the gold on the sandals. And I paired it with this yellow shirt. I purchased this from Ann Taylor a couple of years ago. Places like Ann Taylor and Express and Banana Republic have great, great pieces that you can add into your wardrobe, and they last a long time. The quality is really, really good, typically, especially if you get them on sale. And I just love the yellow and the black combo, first of all, and then, you know, yellow is the Peloton color of the year, along with gray. I paired it with this shrimps bag, or a shrimps inspired bag. The shrimps bag is expensive, but this one was from Amazon. I think you've seen this before in one of my previous videos. Excellent quality. I'll put a link to it in the description box below. And these earrings are from the Gilded Stone. I know someone's gonna ask me. They're from the Gilded Stone, and she does not have these anymore, but it's online. I put a link to the store in the description box as well. I wish they were still in store because I think they're absolutely amazing. But again, I love these shoes with this outfit. I think it just pairs very well. The yellow looks good with the gold tone in the shoe. And I like the feminine detail on the sleeves of the shirt. And I just think this is a very, very cute spring summer outfit.
We gotta do it all over.
The Air Zone. Production.
I failed, honey. I'm sorry.
Production in trouble.
That was my fault, honey.
I wanna dance tonight.
Okay, ready?
Now this is outfit number three. I paired the sandals with this dress from Express that I picked up either last year or year before last. I thought it was very, very cute. Pretty sure I purchased it on sale. And to add a pop of color to the outfit, I grabbed my Love Courtney purse, or Purse by Love Courtney. It's a black-owned company. I'll see if I can find and leave a link in the description box below, but it actually comes with a strap, but you know, the under the arm bags are in right now, and I think this is really cute. The fringes and everything, perfect. I think it looks really good with this black and white. Again, these shoes, I think look great with this dress. It's just a perfect date night, or late spring, early summer, at night. You want to go to a restaurant with your boo or your husband or your girlfriends or whomever. But I thought this would be a very, very cute outfit to wear. Now this is outfit number 4, and y'all know what I say about a shirt dress. This is one of mine. I have several, and this is one of the ones that button down the front, and because it's kind of short, like you can see that right there, I paired it with a pair of white shorts and the sandals in this puffy, really cute, it's not real leather, but it's from Zara, and it mimics some of the more expensive bags. It does come with a chain, a pewter tone chain here, but you know, the rave is the under the arm bag, so I put it like this. I just love, you know, a crisp white clean shirt, and I think this is just everything. This is a wear to anything outfit. These earrings, if you saw my last video, are from Utter Q. I have these in the other pair. I love the pearl details in these and the gold. The gold goes along with the gold hardware of the shoes and the white pearl or ladylike, and they match the white of the shirt. And I think this pop of white just brings out the shoes, you know, and a black and white combo is always classic and always in and always on trend and always ready. Now this is the fifth outfit. I wore these white, of course, Banana Republic shorts. They have black pinstripes in them, so I thought they would look really, really nice with the shoes. The black shoes, again, we'll pull out the black in the shorts. I paired it with my green Prada purse because I wanted a pop of color. You all know I love some color in my outfits. The final piece is this beautiful cami from Lily Silk. I did a collaboration with them earlier this year, but I agreed to the collaboration because I had previously owned Lily Silk products and I thought they were outstanding. So I was like, of course. All of their silk pieces are mulberry silk, and this one is probably my favorite. I do have a button-down green shirt from them, and I think it's beautiful. But I have this one, and I have this same shirt, or sorry, this same cami in that green that I have my shirt in, and it has the lace detail. And I like the width of the arm, the sleeve right here with this is very dainty, very beautiful, and I thought it would look really balanced the sandals really well. The silk is a mulberry silk from China, so you know, you can't beat that. You know, the Chinese have been doing silk for hundreds of years, but this is a beautiful, beautiful piece. I thought it was very dainty and very pretty, and I think the pearls work well with the lace and balance out the roughness kind of in the shoes, but I just love this outfit. She's cute. But that's it, family. I really, really hope you enjoyed this video. I know these shoes are not even a bit expensive. They're expensive. They are a splurge. Yes, they are. But I will try to find something similar if that's something you're interested in, and put some links in the description box if I can find something. So again, thank you so much for spending some of your valuable time with me. I really, really appreciate it. Now, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, you can go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. We'd love for you to become a part of our YouTube family. We greatly appreciate it. Have a blessed, blessed day. Bye-bye. I wanna dance tonight. Oh. Spend my money. I wanna learn how to do that. Oh. Dance. I'm gonna learn it because it's really popular on YouTube right now. And I meant on Instagram. YouTube. It's a dance. I come in like this. I'll have to show it to you. I'm gonna learn it. I'm gonna learn it this week.
I think you can, honey. I believe you.
You know, I used to dance in school.
I believe in you.
I know that was like a million years ago, but ready?
All right.
This is a cute romper. Dance tonight. I just wanna money, can I spend my money?
Okay.
These are so cute.
All right, ready?
Mm-hmm.